Right. So for this video, we'll be talking about the drone, especially the one I use. So this is the DJI Mavic Pro drone. So essentially, it's a foldable drone, the small footprint. So yan, maliit. If you're gonna fit it into your bag, it will look something like this. And if it's unfolded, big, then the propellers are already taken off. So you need to install this just like that. It also has a sign, the one with a white and black. So same, you just match the rotor and the props. So it's basically alternate. Then it's spring loaded. So just push and twist to for the propellers to lock. So once from that, and this is the gimbal protector. So it's basically, you need to take this off before you turn on the drone, else your gimbal will be damaged because of the limitation on this. Then it's the number one, you need to remove this gimbal. Then the battery is basically a smart battery, intelligent, what they call DJI, because it is self discharging when you store this in a several days. So lithium ion batteries are not to be stored 100%. So it's automatic discharging. So this is the part of the drone, the battery, the props, the camera, and I installed a filter, ND filter, to maximize the color, and sensors in the bottom, light, and a sensor, infrared. The SD card is in the this covering. So when you remove the cover, yeah, you can see the SD card. Also dual camera on the bottom. So basically, it flies okay. Then this is the remote. So no screen built in, but a LCD and some twist knobs for the camera, and left and control joysticks. Here are the joysticks to control the maneuvering of the drone. So, and drone basics. So these are the parts of the drone, and this one is the OTG cable, the one that connects from the controller to your mobile phone. And you need to have a mobile phone app to interface with the drone controller. So currently it's not already the latest, but it still flies okay. Long range and very stable and strong wind for the DJI Mavic Pro. Comparing this with the smaller ones, the DJI Mini 3, the DJI Mini SE, those are entry-level drones, and they are small and slight wind resistance. And also the Air series is the mid of the drone. Then it's also basically in between performance between the Mavic and the Mini series. So if you're starting out, basically the Mavic has a front side obstacle avoidance. So it stops whenever it detects a object in the front and the back. Comparing this with the Mini SE or the DJI Mini series, which doesn't have any sensor. So you need to fly it manually or fly it with caution, because it doesn't have any front and back sensors. So you need to fly it line of sight, and that's the basic of the drone. So anything you need to know about, comment sa section below. See you. Okay, so happy flying. So for those who would like to fly a drone, these are just the basic things you need in order to fly, and also the mobile phone for the interface, so you can see the camera settings. Okay, that's it.